Teacup, teacup, teacup. Our teacup is pink.
There's another Nishi. We've seen like 5 hermaphrodites today.
Where is the shim?
Behind you. The cute little BB gun's mom.
Oh, yeah. I don't know about that one. Sounds like a lady. It looks like a dude.
Sounds like a lady. Looks like a dude.
These teacups need to get rolling.
For safety, please be sure to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet,
24:15.
Excellent.
and move back your chair.
You think that'll work? It's gonna fall out and break.
Oh, getting wet.
Oh, it's raining.
Dislike.
No bueno.
Please remain seated facing forward at all times and enjoy your cup of tea.
Enjoy your cup of tea. Go faster, stupid thing.
Oh, it says this way to go faster. We're going the opposite way.
Okay, there we go.
Whoa!
Super fast.
These teacups are out of control.
And they're wet.
Oh,
Dislike.
no to the rain.
Get random people.
Yep. I'm gonna tag you all. It's sickening to watch.
Oh my god, I can't imagine watching this and be like, oh.
Yeah.
Like, it's hard to turn.
We're gonna be all exhausted after this.
And wet.